If you're getting into music production and things feel harder than you expected, you're not alone. Almost everyone makes the same mistakes at the beginning. And the good news is this: these mistakes are not a sign that you're bad at music. They're a normal part of learning. So in this video, I want to walk through some of the most common beginner mistakes in music production. Not to criticize, but to help you avoid getting stuck and make faster progress. Trying to do too much too soon. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is trying to learn everything at once. Sound design, mixing, mastering, music theory, arrangement. That is overwhelming. Professional results come from improving one thing at a time. If you try to do everything, you usually end up not doing anything very well. Focusing on plugins instead of fundamentals. Another very common mistake is focusing too much on plugins, new EQs, new compressors, new effects, but plugins do not fix basic problems. If the arrangement is messy, plugins will not save it. If the balance is off, plugins will not fix it. Learning fundamentals like sound choice and balance will improve your music much faster. Overprocessing everything. Many beginners overprocess their sounds. Too much EQ, too much compression, too many effects. This often comes from the idea that everything needs fixing. In reality, many sounds do not need much processing at all. Professional mixers often use very subtle moves. Less processing done intentionally usually sounds better. Ignoring arrangement. Arrangement is one of the most overlooked areas for beginners. Too many parts played at once, no clear focus, no contrast between sections. A good arrangement makes mixing easier. A bad arrangement makes mixing almost impossible. If your track feels crowded, remove parts before adding plugins. Not using reference tracks. Another common mistake is not using reference tracks. Without references, it's very easy to lose perspective. Reference tracks help you understand how loud things should be, how bright or dark a mix is, and how full the low end should feel. They keep you grounded in reality. Mixing too loud. Many beginners mix at very high volumes. Mixing loud sounds exciting, but it can hide problems. When everything is loud, it's hard to judge balance. Mixing at moderate volumes helps you make better decisions and protects your ears. Not learning your listening setup. Your headphones or studio monitors have a sound of their own. If you do not learn how they translate, your mixes will be inconsistent. Listening to a lot of finished music on your setup helps train your ears. This is more important than upgrading gear. Constantly switching tools. Switching DAWs, plugins, or workflows too often is another common mistake. Every tool has a learning curve. Constantly changing tools resets your progress. Choosing one DAW and learning it properly will help you improve much faster. Not finishing songs. This might be the biggest one. Starting songs is easy, finishing songs is hard, but finishing is where the real learning happens. If you do not finish tracks, your progress will slow down dramatically. Finished songs teach lessons, unfinished projects never will. Comparing yourself unfairly. Many beginners compare their work to professional releases, but you're comparing your early work to someone else's final result. That comparison is not fair. Progress should be measured against your past work, not someone else's highlights. Expecting fast results. Another mistake is expecting improvements to happen quickly. Music production takes time. Skills build gradually through repetition and experience. Slow progress does not mean no progress. Consistency matters more than speed. Believing gear is the solution. It's easy to believe gear will solve your problems. A new plugin, a new interface, a new DAW, but gear rarely fixes core issues. Skills, listening, and decision-making are what really move you forward. Avoiding mistakes instead of learning from them. Mistakes are part of the process. Trying to avoid mistakes often leads to playing it safe and not finishing anything. Making mistakes, finishing tracks, and learning from them is how improvement actually happens. What to focus on instead. So instead of worrying about these mistakes, focus on this. Finish more songs, simplify your arrangements, work on balance before plugins, use reference tracks, stick with one setup, and learn it deeply. These habits compound over time. Every producer makes these mistakes. They're not something to be ashamed of. They're part of learning. If you recognize yourself in this list, it's a good thing. It means you're on the path. If you want, leave a comment letting me know which one of these mistakes you relate to the most, or if there's another one you've noticed in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.